What's up, everybody? Scott Stocks back again with another tutorial. I just want to run you guys through how I use the filter builder. Probably the first feature I fell in love with on Equity Feed, and probably the most powerful scanner in the game. I've tried Stocks to Trade, a bunch of other ones. Really ended up liking this software the most. And yeah, here we are. Filter builder. Real quick, if you don't have Equity Feed, there's a link right below my description. Click that. Free 14-day trial. No credit card required, and it'll get you 10% off on your subscription. Highly recommend it. It's really a game changer for me. Yeah, and I have a couple other tutorials as well on how I use it. I use it for everything. Um, Equity Feed is pretty much my mainstay in trading now. But yeah, without all the crap, let's get into it. Filter Builder Beta, and here we are. I use this to run all my scans. There is a stock scanner, but the Filter Builder really hones in on what I need. Quick to get it started. I have 5 saved filters that I regularly use. Intraday scan, night scan, pre-market scan on the listed stocks, and then 2 scans for OTC, intraday and night scan. There is no pre-market on OTC. There's a ton that are really cool. Earnings in past 24 hours up 5% intraday. Awesome midday scan. Hitting new daily highs. Also awesome for breakouts. Getting earnings winners. Yeah, really cool. Awesome stuff. But my scans are pretty basic. I'm just looking for stuff that's up on the day that meets my volume and price requirements. I'm a small cap trader, so I don't really get too crazy and in depth with the scans. I use the trading alerts. Check my tutorial for that to really meet, I guess, like finding. I don't know. That's what I find that fills my needs for finding stuff as it happens. But this scan setup really helps me. I guess find what's in play at any given moment without being late. So when I log on for the day, I already know what's in play. So let's get it started. Here you can filter down, based on market, stock types. I don't particularly trade all of this. I just go with these here: the split, delinquent, foreign, and bankrupt. You can filter by sector. Really awesome. If you're looking to play a certain, there's sympathy plays, something like that. You're looking to play a certain thing. Oil, gold, whatever. You can filter by your watch list. Very cool. News types. This is how you can do the earnings today. That's above 5%. Those kind of preset scans you see in there. And time frame here, which, yeah, I mean, 5 minutes, 75% upticks. That's, you can kind of look for bullish tick action, bid and ask action. You can scan the time and price, time and sale data. Really awesome stuff. And scan the level 2 rather. But yeah, really awesome stuff. Um, let's see here. My stuff's pretty simple. So just to show you how I do it, it's nighttime right now, or it's 6 o'clock on a Friday. I'll show you my listed night scan, and I usually click that. You have to load. It's listed. So unfortunately, one thing I don't like about Equity Feed, to be perfectly transparent, is that you have to uncheck that every single time, and you open it. So here we are. We're on the filter and listed night scan. Here we are, and this is all the stuff that was in play earlier today. So if I'm doing my watch list for the night, building my watch list, I'm going to usually use the night scans if I missed out on some of the action, kind of see, what was in play. You can see the news, so on and so forth. Everything's green on the day here. That's my setup. And I'll show you my setup real quick. Day dollar volume. I try to keep it over $3 million worth of the volume in terms of value traded. Over 3,000 day trades, between 50 cents and $20. $20 is kind of high for me, but I'd rather catch a wider net, I guess, than miss something really awesome. And then anything that's over 15% on the day, that's just how I particularly play. You can get pretty in depth, with the price. You can do last price, percent net change, percent change, highs. You can scan for stuff that's breaking 52-week highs all day. It's pretty in depth, and it's really simple to use. Just real quick, we'll build a filter. Let's start a new one. Clear filter, and let's just say you're looking for OTC stocks that are. We'll keep that on there. We're not going to mess with any of this. OTC stocks that are up on the day. Let's do like a little nighttime scan here. And I'll look for anything that's up on the day. So let's do greater than 0%. So it's up for the day. Between price, I'm going to go with last greater than, and I'm going to do 0.01. I don't trade sub-penny stocks. And we'll keep it less than 10. We'll keep it penny stock zones, less than 10. And for volume, we'll go into trades. And we'll do days trades because it's a night scan. Greater than, we'll just do 30. And days dollar value, let's go greater than $30,000. And let's run it, see what we come up with. Okay, we got way too much stuff. Cast a little bit too wide of a net. Let's arrange by percent gain. And here we go. Kind of got some action here. And yeah, let's pull some stuff up. Kind of see. Yeah, we went a little too low volume, I think. Let's try days volume. Oh yeah, maybe this is a little too low. Let's try it a little bit higher. Replace, run filter. Let's close this. There we go. A little bit more reasonable. And that's it. That's pretty much how you build your filters. You can get really creative with it. I love it. Possibilities are endless. You can find stuff that's crossing the insane indicators. I don't even get into any of this. Moving averages, pretty awesome. Let's see what that's got to offer. Yeah, time interval. Look at that. Awesome. Let's try doing something daily. It crosses a 50 SMA. Greater than. Ooh, I have no idea. Let's see what happens. Never use any of these types of scans, to be honest with you. Awesome. That's crazy. EMA as well. Pretty cool. I use the trading alerts for that type of stuff personally, but yeah, just to show you an idea of how you can get into it with the filter builder. It's really awesome, really powerful stuff. Again, you can search for pretty much anything, even the fundamentals of a company. Short interest, if you're looking for high short interest stuff that's up on the day, you might be able to catch some short squeezes with that. As you know, the data is a little out of date with short interest. It's only reported, I think, every 2 weeks. I don't know so much on the OTC. That's something you might want to look into, but just want to show you guys you can get really creative with the filter builder. And yeah, there it is. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. Once again, click the link in my description if you'd like to give it a shot. Free 2-week trial and 10% off with my link. Thanks so much, guys. Take it easy.